Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial we're going to teach you how you can apply a black and white effect to your photos in your Google Photos. Yes, you can do that too without using any photo editing tools or software whatsoever. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. All you need to do, guys, is head over to Google Photos, make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account, and after that head over to your library on Google Photos and select the photo you would like to edit. So let me go with, let's say, that one here, for instance, and what you want to do is click on that icon here at the top, edit, next to the share button here. And after that, you'll be given access to a variety of customization and editing tools. For example, you may crop your image by clicking on that button here, or apply various tools, or for example, adjust the saturation and the warmth and the skin tone and so on and so forth. So to apply a black and white filter, click on this button here, on this icon, filters, and simply browse through that library of available filters to the right and select the one you would like to apply. And the black and white filters are at the bottom, so you may choose one of these here: Onyx, Eiffel, Vogue, or Vista. So let me go with that one here, for instance. And as you can see, this image or photo has been turned into the black and white photo. You may also adjust the effect or intensity here, just like that, or the warmth, as you can see. So if I move that slider to the left, it is more grayish, I'd say, and if I move the slider to the right, it's really this distinct black and white. So you can play around with this as much as you like, guys. Let's leave it at 50%, for example. And to save your changes, click on Save here in the top right, and there you go. Now you have a black and white photo like this without any photo editing skills whatsoever here on Google Photos. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.